Did you know that you can create a trust that will allow you to qualify for Medicaid and that way be better able to preserve your assets if you become disabled? Hi, my name is Daniel Timins, and I'm a trust and estates and elder law attorney and a certified financial planner. A lot of people want to know how can they qualify for Medicaid. They've worked hard for their money, and if they get old and infirmed or if they become disabled, they want to make sure that that money is available for their family. The issue is this: you have to divest yourself of a certain amount of control to do this. You can do this by creating what is called a Medicaid Asset Protection Trust. A Medicaid trust protects the assets that you've created during your life so that they're not included in the means testing for Medicaid qualifications. For example, if you own a house that's worth a lot of money or have a decent amount of money in brokerage accounts, you can leave these funds to this Medicaid Asset Protection Trust, which thereby protects the assets, and be entitled to the income provided and prepared for by that trust. The downside to this is this: any property that goes into a Medicaid trust has to stay in the trust in some way, shape, or form. You can't access the principal again, number one. Number two, because it's irrevocable, you can't change your mind once you do it. You basically fire and forget. You lock yourself in place. A lot of people who want to protect their assets tend to not want to give up control. Now, I'm not saying don't do Medicaid trusts, and I'm not saying do Medicaid trusts. I'm saying understand that what happens, that when you place those funds inside the trust, it's an irrevocable decision, and that you're basically saying, I'm going to let someone else decide how these assets are controlled, hopefully for my benefit. My name is Daniel Timins, and I want to remind you that where there's a way, there's a will.